Nunavut will be ending their public health emergency for COVID-19 on Monday. Masks are no longer required except at government offices, health facilities, and schools. British Columbia is lifting their COVID passport restrictions today. They're the last regions in the country to do so, following a month where the country decided to open up. Saskatchewan was the first to make the move. Their regulations came to an end on the last day of February. A day later, on March 1st, Alberta removed all restrictions. March 12th had Quebec dropping their vaccine passport rules, but they still have some masking regulations. Manitoba ditched the rules on March 15th, one day after New Brunswick and Newfoundland and Labrador did the same. PEI followed suit on the 17th, the Yukon on the 18th. March 21st saw Nova Scotia drop the remaining rules. The same day, Ontario dropped mask requirements. The Northwest Territories made the move to stop regulating COVID on April 1st. Today was British Columbia's turn, and Monday, Nunavut joins the rest of the country in removing restrictions. According to Nunavut's health minister, the move is based on learning through 2 years of pandemic response.
Looking at the past 2+ years of the COVID pandemic, we've learned a lot about the virus. We know how it spreads, how it affects people's health, and how to keep each other safe. We need to remember these lessons so that we continue to protect each other from COVID-19.
One of the reasons all the regions gave for dropping the regulations is the vaccination rate. Here in Nunavut, 92% of all adults have received 2 doses of a COVID vaccine, beating the Canadian rate of 82%. The Indigenous national vaccination rate for COVID-19 is 89%. Nunavut's chief public health officer warns that the pandemic isn't over, just the restrictions.
COVID-19 is not gone and is likely here to stay. While there are no restrictions in place, I encourage Nunavummiut to manage the risk of COVID-19 responsibly. If you are sick, stay home and do not go to public places or gatherings. If you must have contact with others, please wear a mask. Please get vaccinated. Vaccines are our best defense against COVID-19 and will continue to be available in all communities.
The country may be opening up, but there is some evidence of a 6th wave of COVID-19 hitting Canada. One thing is certain, we are all going to see what removing those restrictions does, and it starts in Nunavut on Monday. Then we'll find out if following the lead of the rest of Canada was the right move or not. Kent Driscoll, APTN National News, Iqaluit.